Assalamu alaikum dear students. Exercise 11A, page number 267, question number 9, part B. In this part B also, as mentioned in the general statement of the question, AB is parallel to CD and we have to find out the unknowns. Over here the unknowns are this angle C and this angle D. Now for the solution. Now we solve this part. For the solution, first of all we have to find out this unknown C, right? To find out this C, some intermediate step we have to take. देखिए हम करेंगे इस तरह से कि CD and AB are the parallel lines and this GJ is working as transversal. तो यहाँ पर ये एंगल C plus 32 ये पूरा एंगल और ये पूरा एंगल 64 plus this unknown, ये दोनों इंटीरियर एंगल्स बन जाएंगे, इनका सम 180 होगा। तो इसे सॉल्व करके हम C फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे। लेकिन यहाँ एक प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमें ये एंगल मालूम नहीं है। तो ये फाइंड आउट हो सकता है बड़ी आसानी से, एज दिस इज इक्वल टू 45 ड्यू टू वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स। देखिए EF और AB एक दूसरे को कट कर रहे हैं इस पॉइंट H पर। So we are justified to say that this unknown is now the known 45 degree, right? So now we work out for finding the unknown angle C. AHF is equal to 45 degree due to vertically opposite angles. AHI plus CIH is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of interior angles. This way we are justified to say C plus 32 plus 45 plus 64 equal to 180. Now we solve it just like an equation. Now 141 shifted to the other side with change in its sign. So C we have found. We can say hence C equal to 39 degree. Now we work out for the angle D. To find out angle D, we have to consider the triangle FHI, sum of all the internal angles of the triangle FHI. This one, now C is known for us. This is known. And this third unknown we can find out easily. In this way, in the triangle FHI, D plus 39 plus 64 is equal to 180. Angle sum of the triangle. Now solve it just like an equation to find out the unknown angle D. Now subtracting 103 both the sides, are shifting this 103 to the right side with change in its sign. This way D equal to 77 degree. Hence D is equal to 77 degree. In this part C also the AB and CD are parallel to one another as mentioned in the general statement of the question, and we have to find out the unknowns E, G and F we have to find out. Now first of all we'll consider the triangle BCE. To consider this triangle we'll correlate F and E to one another. Now watch it. This angle F is working as the exterior angle of the triangle BCE, and this would be equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles. This is 2E this is also 2e. Why? Because this angle BCE is an isosceles triangle where BE is equal to CE. So the opposite angles should also be equal to one another. This way I am justified to say that F is equal to 2e plus 2e, right? So F is equal to 4e. I name this relationship as equation number 1. Now we consider the triangle BEF over here. In this BEF, this angle 120 is exterior angle for the triangle BEF. This 120 would be equal to sum of opposite two interior angles, means this E plus F. In other words, E plus 4F. E plus 4E. Right? So, in the triangle BEF, E plus F would be equal to 120 degree. Why? Because this 120 degree is an exterior angle. This should be equal to sum of opposite two interior angles. And you know that in the relationship number 1, we have developed that F is equal to 4E. Now in place of F, I write down 4E. This way 5E equal to 120 degree. Dividing both the sides by 5, E equal to 24 degree. Hence we have found that E is equal to 24 degree. Now as we have developed in equation number 1 that F is equal to 4E. So over here F is equal to 4 multiplied by 24. F is equal to 96 degree. Hence the value of F is found. Now we will do work for the next unknown G. The next unknown is this angle G. To find out this angle G, this AB is parallel to CD and BC is working as transversal, so G is equal to 2E. Don't you think that G is equal to double of 24? G is equal to 2E due to alternate angles, as AB is parallel to CD. Now hence G is 48 degree, right? In this part D, just like the previous parts, AB is parallel to CD and we have to find out the unknown angles. Over here angle I and angle J are the unknowns we have to find out. Over here angle KJB is of 65 degree. Don't you think that FJI would also be of 65 degree? Why? Because of vertically opposite angles, right? So FJI equal to 65 degree. Why? Because of vertically opposite angles. These are vertically opposite angles. And angle I is equal to, this angle I is equal to 65 degree. Why? Because AB is parallel to CD and this JI is working as transversal. So these two angles would be equal to one another. Why? Because of corresponding angles. So I is equal to 65 degree corresponding angles, as AB is parallel to CD, right? Now to find out the next unknown J, we will consider the triangle IGH. In this triangle, this was unknown angle. IGH was unknown angle, but now this is known. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. Clear? And I we have found recently. So this way these two are known angles. We can easily find out the unknown angle J, right? IGH is equal to 68 degree due to vertically opposite angles. Now consider the triangle IGH because of sum of all the internal angles of a triangle. J plus 65 plus 68 equal to 180. Now solve it just like an equation. J plus 133 equal to 180. 133 shifted to the other side with change in its sign. Hence J equal to 47 degree. Now we work out on the unknown angle H. To find out this angle H, first we will find out angle AFE. This one angle, this is equal to 68 degree. Why? Because of corresponding angles. Very right. And then this 68 and H are supplementary angles to one another. So to find out H, we have to subtract this 68 from 180. Now we solve it. AEF is equal to 68 degree. This AFE is equal to 68 degree because of corresponding angles. These are equal to one another because of corresponding angles. AB is parallel to CD and this EH is working as transversal. So this way this angle we have found 68 degree. Now to find out H, we'll add up these two angles. Sum of these two would be equal to straight line angle, yani 180. Now 68 shifted to the other side with change in its sign. Hence H is found as 112 degree. Right? This way question number 9 is finished. Now question number 10. The statement of the question is, if the sizes of the angles of a triangle are x minus 35 degree, x minus 25 degree and x over 2 minus 10 degree, find the value of x. Is it clear? Watch it. In this question we have just to sum up all these three angles and equate to 180 डिग्री और फिर उसे आप इक्वेशन की तरह सॉल्व करके x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए. You would solve this question by yourself. Now question number 11. Statement of the question is, in triangle ABC, BAC is equal to 50 degree, BCA equal to 26 degree, find ABC, the third one angle. ये बिल्कुल उसी तरह से करना है as we have done question number 10. Then part 2, if AB is produced to D, find the angle CBD. In this question number 11, we have to find out in this triangle ABC, the third unknown angle ABC at the point B, the angle we have to find out. Angle B plus 50 degree plus 26 degree is equal to 180, as the sum of all the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now we solve it just like an equation, shifting 76 to the other side with change in its sign. So angle B is equal to 104 degree. Hence angle ABC is equal to 104 degree. Now in the second part it is mentioned that if AB is produced this way to the point D, then we have to find out CBD, this angle. So do it. We have produced AB to a point D. we have to find out this angle. You know, angle CBD is the exterior angle for the triangle ABC. So this angle would be equal to sum of opposite two interior angles. So CBD is equal to 50 plus 26, right? In triangle ABC, this way CBD, this CBD is equal to sum of 26 and 50. Now we solve it. This is exterior angle of the triangle ABC. This way CBD is equal to 76 degree. Hence we have found that this angle CBD is equal to 76 degree. Right? Now question number 12, statement of the question is, in the figure ACE and BCD are the straight lines. ACE and BCD are the straight lines. Find ACB, ACB, and in part 2 ABC, ABC. These angles we have to find out. In this part 1, we have to find out ACB, right? The angle at the point C, ACB. This ACB is equal to DCE because of vertically opposite angles. These two angles are equal in measurement, and we can easily find out this one angle DCE. Considering the triangle CDE, we will find out this third unknown angle, and then due to vertically opposite angles we can easily find out the required angle ACB, right? In triangle CDE, DCE plus 61 plus 41 is equal to 180. Now DCE is equal to 180 minus 102. Hence DCE is equal to 78 degree. Now the second part, actual angle तो अभी रहता है. The angle ACB, to find out ACB is equal to this 78. Why? Because of vertically opposite angles, right? Now in the second part we have to find out angle ABC. This angle ABC at the point B, what this angle is, we have to find out. To find out this angle, we will consider the triangle ABC, and this is the third unknown. Rest of two are known. So sum of all the internal angles of a triangle equal to 180. This is the way how we will find out this third unknown, right? So this way, in the triangle ABC, this angle B plus 50 plus 78 is equal to 180 degree. Now solve it just like an equation. This way the angle B calculated as 52 degree. Hence the value of ABC is found as 52 degree, right? Statement of question number 13. In the figure, AC is parallel to AC is parallel to ED, and BE parallel to CD, BE parallel to CD. We have to find out DFE, this much angle we have to find out in part A, right? And in the second part, BDC, this angle we have to find out. Now we work out on this question. This is question number 13, where ED is parallel to AC and BE is parallel to CD, we have to find out DFE. DFE. And in second part we have to find out BDC. BDC. This angle we have to find out. Now we do working for the part 1. To find out the angle DFE, we will consider the triangle DEF. In this triangle, this is unknown angle, this is known, and this angle we have to make like a known angle. How? When these two lines are parallel to one another, this is working as transversal, so this is now not unknown for us. Yes, this is equal to 47 degree because of alternate angles. उसके बाद हम कंसिडर करेंगे ट्राइंगल EDF और ये अननोन एंगल हम फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ वी डू वर्किंग. दिस DEF, this angle is equal to BCF. This angle 47 degree. So now this angle is of 47 degree. Now we consider the triangle DEF. In this triangle DEF, DFE plus 47 plus 32 is equal to 180, because sum of all the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Solving it, we will find out the angle DFE. Now DFE equal to 180 minus 79 degree. Hence we have found that DFE equal to 101 degree. Right? Now to solve for the second part, the angle BDC. To find out angle BDC at the point D, the angle BDC. Now we work out for it. देखिए इस एंगल BDC के लिए we will consider the triangle BCD. In this triangle, the angle at the point C, BCD, is of 106 degree. Why? Because of corresponding angles. ये पूरा एंगल जो BCD है, this is of 106 degree. Clear? So this way BCD is equal to ABE. BCD is equal to ABE. Why? Because BE is parallel to CD. So due to the corresponding angles, the same way we will find out this angle. What the angle? FDC. This is equal to 32. Why? Because of alternate angles. So this way FBC is of 32 degree. Right? Now to find out the angle at the point D, BDC, we consider the triangle BCD. In this triangle, these two angles are the known angles. At the point B, angle FBC. At the point C, the angle BCD are unknown angles. And at the point D, the unknown angle BDC, we will find out, sum of all the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This way we will solve to find out BDC. In the triangle BCD, angle sum of the triangle. Now we shift this 138 to the other side with change in its sign. Hence we have found that BDC is equal to 42 degree, right? This way exercise 11A is concluded. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.